Most guys get this wrong about women, but not anymore. Because what I'm about to tell you could change everything about how you attract women. Most guys spend their whole lives thinking they've got to be rich, ripped, or ridiculously charming to get a girl's attention. But what if I told you that's not the real secret? What if I told you that attraction runs way deeper than looks or money? Women, just like men, have hidden emotional triggers, things they don't even realize they're drawn to. And if you can understand those triggers, you instantly stand out from 99% of guys. So today, I'm dropping 10 secret psychological weaknesses that most women have. Things that, once you get them, will completely change how you connect with women. 1. Emotional certainty. The secret sauce women crave. Here's the truth. Women are emotional, but that doesn't mean they're unstable. It means feelings play a massive role in their decisions, especially in relationships. So what's one of their biggest hidden needs? Emotional certainty. She wants to feel secure, like you're solid, even when life gets messy. Not just excitement or fun, but stability. That I got this energy. If you're moody, needy, or fall apart under pressure, she'll pull away fast. Why? Because it feels unsafe. But if you stay calm, cool, and collected even when she's emotional, boom, that's powerful. That makes her feel safe, and safety is sexy. Be her calm in the storm and she'll cling to you without even knowing why. 2. She wants what she can't fully have. Here's a little psychological truth bomb. People chase what's scarce. That's why diamonds are expensive and why women are drawn to men who aren't easy to get. If you're always available, constantly texting, giving her everything up front, she might enjoy the attention, but she won't crave it. But if you're a little mysterious, if you've got your own thing going on and don't always say yes, that unpredictability hooks her. Make her wonder about you. Keep a little part of yourself just out of reach. That's how you stay on her mind and in her heart. 3. Your voice and presence speak before you do. Okay, this one's underrated. A deep, calm voice? That's attractive. But it's more than that. It's about presence. You know those guys who walk into a room and instantly get noticed, even if they're not the loudest? That's presence, and it drives women wild. It's how you move, how you look people in the eye, how you speak slowly like every word matters. If you're slouched, fidgeting, or mumbling, you're sending the opposite message. So stand tall, speak with confidence, move with purpose. Be a man who doesn't need to prove anything, because he already knows who he is. 4. The guy who can walk away has all the power. Want to flip the script and make her chase you? Be the guy who can walk away. Most guys panic when a woman pulls back. They chase harder, beg over text, big mistake. But the guy who says, I won't stick around if you're playing games, that guy is a rare breed, and she feels it. Because walking away says, I don't need you, I choose you. And nothing is more attractive than real confidence. 5. A man with a mission is irresistible. Here's the deal. If your whole world revolves around her, you've already lost. Women are wired to be drawn to men with purpose. A guy who's building something, chasing a goal, improving his life, that's magnetic. She doesn't want to be your mission. She wants to join you on yours. So whether you're building a business, hitting the gym, mastering a skill, whatever it is, let that drive you. Because a man with direction is a man worth following. 6. This might just change the way you see dating forever. Ever felt like you were being too nice or too open, and somehow it pushed her away? Here's the truth no one tells you. If a woman sees you as too soft or too shut off emotionally, she'll lose interest fast. But there's a secret move that only a few guys know. It's all about the balance. Being strong but not a robot. Open but not pouring your heart out like a therapy session. See, most guys mess this up. They think women want emotional dumping. Nope. Women crave real connection, but only with a man who's still grounded, confident, and in control. Here's how you win. Show your emotions, but don't let them run the show. Share your struggles, but only after you've overcome them. Let her in, but little by little, not all at once. This creates something powerful. When you choose to open up, it feels special. She sees strength, not weakness. But if you overshare too fast, beg for reassurance, or look for emotional hand-holding, she'll see you as needy, and she's gone. 7. Be like the ocean, deep, mysterious, and powerful. Your emotions, visible, but never flooding the room. Now let's talk about those tests women throw at you. You know what I mean. She challenges your opinions, starts random drama, acts like she doesn't care. It's not to be annoying, it's instinct. Women test men to see if you're solid. Do you stand your ground, stay calm, or fold like a lawn chair? The rule? Never react emotionally. Smile, stay cool, and hold your frame. If she pulls away, don't chase. Let her come to you. The guy who stays unfazed, that's the man she can't replace. And get this, she only tests guys she's actually into. So if she's testing you, you're already winning. Just don't fail. 8. Rejection, don't sweat it. Most dudes fear it. But confident men, they laugh it off. She says no, cool. No worries, take care. And you walk away like a king. Desperate men crumble. Confident men, they know they've got options. Rejection doesn't kill you. Clinging to approval does. The second you stop fearing rejection is the moment women start chasing you. 9. Want to be unforgettable? Stay a little mysterious. If she always knows exactly how you feel, she gets bored. Women are wired to chase what keeps them curious. This doesn't mean being a jerk or playing games. It means not being too available or too predictable. Text back on your own time. Open up slowly. Keep her guessing in a good way. Curiosity is fuel. Make her wonder, and she'll keep coming back for more. 10. Last truth bomb. A man who controls himself controls everything. Most guys are ruled by their urges. They chase, they beg, they get played. But the high-value man, he's in charge of his desires. He doesn't chase, he chooses. He's not desperate, he's disciplined. His mission comes first. And that's magnetic. When you stop chasing, she starts chasing you. Not because of tricks, but because you've mastered yourself. If this hit you hard and made something click, you're not alone. Hit that subscribe button for more straight-up truth on becoming stronger, wiser, and way more attractive without losing your edge. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic, and never chase.